I've got a broom handle here. Well, this part is very sloppy. You can see it moving in there. That's not so good, and it's going to let go, so I got to figure out some way to stop that from happening. I'm going to try cutting this off with I thought a pipe cutter might be a little neater, a better job than trying to hacksaw it off. So we're using a small one because I can't find the big pipe cutter. That worked. Got it off. Now I just have to get this aluminum part off, and we can reinsert this back into the other piece here. I'm going to use this air cutoff wheel to just put a slit down it, and now I'm prying it off with a screwdriver. This plastic part was really sloppy in the end of here, so I put some tape on here, some electrical tape, and I've got enough so that it won't fit. Now before I did that, I cleaned out that little burr that was left over from when we cut it also, so it won't be in the way. I'm going to try heating this up. It's aluminum, it should heat up nicely. Not sure how long it takes it for it to actually expand, but I imagine it should only be, well, not even a minute or so, because the aluminum really reacts to temperature change. Oh, that's nice and warm now. Now maybe we can get that to fit in there now that it's looking bigger. That is tight. We're going to put a screw in there, and that should be really good. Okay, we're going to use this small screw that I found, and we measured kind of the root diameter on it, and it's about 104 thousandths, so that would be a number 37 number drill that we're going to try to drill into that. And we'll need a little punch here to make a mark. And somewhere I have one of those, here it is. And we'll just put a little mark right there to, hopefully the drill will follow the mark. And we'll see how that screw fits right after I locate a screwdriver. So we found a screwdriver. We'll see how we can get that to go in, whether we can or not here. That's a pretty tight fit. No, it seems to be a little bit big for that. I have a little bit smaller screw. We can try that. And this one seems to go. That's not going anywhere. That's great. I'd say that's fixed. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Seems to work just fine.